Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. My name is Shameen and here on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So in today's video I'm going to be doing both press-on nails and gel extensions, and I'll be doing both of my hands. So one hand is going to be press-on nails and the other one is going to be gel extensions. So I'm buffing the nails, and this is just to take the shine off the nails so that the gel polish can stick to it better. So next I'm going in with some base coat, and this base coat gel is from Lisa Khan, and for me I use base coat just as an additional layer of gel on the nails. The gel polish I'm using today is a solid painting nail gel from Model 1. The number is 008 and it is this nude pink color, and that is what I'll be using to apply onto the nails. So I'll be applying this to the thumb, the index and the pinky fingers. Now I'm using the color Seashell from Dupe for the other two nails, and these are going to be our accent nails. So we're just going to add a couple of coats to all of these nails, and then I'll check back in so we can do our abstract design. Okay, so now it's time to do our design on our two accent nails. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use back some of this painting polish, and I'm just going to apply some spots randomly onto the nail. And once I'm finished with that, I'm just going to put it in the UV lamp to cure for about 1 minute. So I did about 2 layers of that nude polish. Now it's time to apply the gold foil. And I'm applying the gold foil directly onto the nail, making sure to press down firmly so that it is transferred. I didn't use any foil glue because the sticky layer from the gel actually helped the gold foil to adhere. But of course, if you don't get your gold foil to transfer, then of course you can go in with some foil glue or foil gel. For the final part of this abstract design, I'm bringing out my painting gel in black from Beauty, and I'm just going to be taking my brush and applying some black spots to the nails. So I'll be applying some bigger ones with the brush and then some smaller spots with my toothpick. It's really cool to see this channel growing slowly but surely. So feel free to drop your suggestions on a nail video that I should do, or if there's anything you would like to see me try specifically, and I will be happy to do it. So you could drop it in the comments, or you could message me on my Instagram at 123_press. So we're just applying some top coat to these press-on nails for that shiny finish, and after we're done with that, we'll move on to the gel extensions part of this video. When you're applying gel extensions, the most important part is to prep your nails properly so that they last really long. So the first thing I'm going to be doing in my prep is pushing back my cuticles, and I'm using this new cuticle pusher from a brand called Stalex Pro, which I believe is a Russian brand, and it's really nice and sharp. And if you look here, I'm comparing it to my other cuticle pusher, which got dull over time. I've had it for about 5 years now. I bought this back in Brazil in about 2016, and it has been working really nicely until I got this shiny new Russian cuticle pusher. So I'll just be removing the dirt from under my nails, and then I'll be taking the other side of the cuticle pusher and pushing back my cuticles very gently and then after that you'll see me scraping up any dead skin from off my nails. So next, continue with the prep. I'm just taking off the shine from my natural nail using this sanding band along with my nail drill, and it's set to about 3000 rpm, and I'm going over the nail very gently so as not to cause any burning or not pressing too hard down on the nail that it gets really thin. So we're just going to do that over all of the nails, and then we'll continue with our prep. So these are how the nails look right now, but I'm going to do a little bit more cleaning up with this really small drill bit. I don't know the name of this bit, but I'm just using it to clean up more around the sides of my nails so that, you know, I make sure I didn't miss any spots. These are the nails I'm going to be using, and I have to prep the underside of the nails, and I'll be doing that using some primer, and it's just to take the shine off the back of the nails. So you can also use your sanding band with your nail drill to do it, but I think that the primer works just as well and is less dust. Last part of prep for me is using some nail dehydrator, which I have from Mia Secret. I don't know why the bottle not showing in the frame, but I will put a picture right here. This is the dehydrator I use, and then you're going to see me go in over the nails with the same primer. So what the dehydrator does is get rid of any oils that are on the nail, and the primer basically helps prep the nail for bonding the gel extensions to it. Now I'm applying the base gel to my nails, and then I'll put it in the UV lamp to cure for about 30 seconds. So now it's time to apply these gel extensions. So I'm putting some of the same base gel on the underside of the nail extension, and then I'm just going to be starting by the cuticle and applying it to my nail. But at this point in time, it just wasn't working out. So I tried adding some more base gel because I thought it was, you know, that was the problem. So I added some more to see if it would work, but it wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to. So on this last try, I just added some more base gel to my nail, and instead of curing it, I left it wet. I added some more base gel to the underside of the nail, and then I tried to apply it again, starting from the cuticle and working my way up, and this is what worked. So I'm not quite sure, you know, if that's the regular way to apply it. Usually I would watch a video before, you know, I try to do something like this, but in this case I didn't watch any videos before. So some of the polish, some of the gel leaked out on the side, so I just cleaned it up, and now I'm curing it into place with this mini UV LED lamp. But yeah, I should have watched that video before I attempted doing this, because like I forget. So I went ahead and applied the rest of the nails. I even had to bring out my UV lamp to help cure them into place. So hopefully I can get one of those DIY lamps soon so that it makes the application a bit easier. The next thing I'm doing here is just shaping the nails properly, and then I'm using my file to take off the shine from the nails so that we could prep it for our gel polish. I took this medium ceramic bit just to smooth off the rest of the nails so that the nails would look as natural as possible. And as you know, the design on this is the same design as on the press-on nails. So we're just going to speed up a bit through this part, and then I'll check back in with you. After all the nails are cured, I still went ahead and added one layer of builder gel to these nails just to strengthen them because I want them to last a while. And the builder gel I'm using is from Emily. And after they cure in the lamp for about 60 seconds, there's this tacky layer on the surface, so we just wipe that off with some alcohol, and then I'm just going to be doing my final buffing and shaping of these nails. So after these nails have been shaped and buffed, it's time to add some top coat for that sleek, shiny finish. So this is the finished look. I am really happy with how this set came out. It's a really easy abstract set. So just to finish this off, I'm adding some of my tea tree cuticle oil. I'll be applying that to all the nails, and then I'm just going to rub it in. And I was really tired after doing this because it was really late in the night. So I stopped the video here, and then the following morning I used some nail glue and applied the press-on nails to my left hand so that I had an entire full set on my nails. I haven't really done a full set in a long time. So this is the finished look all together. I'm really happy with how this set turned out. The abstract design, as I said, is very easy to do. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure and leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any more of my nail content. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.